alam mo, hindi bago ito ha. Kasi ever since, even in my first term in Congress in 2004, pagka hindi ka bumoto the way the leadership wants, kuminsan madidelay yung iyong mga release in your projects. No? So projects, yung maliit na construction na gagawin mo sa distrito mo, nadidelay yon, no? And sometimes, in fact, most of the time, I suppose, intentionally, no? So, parang kumbaga, nasaana na yung lahat sa ganyan. Na pagka, if you don't vote the way the leadership wants, ganyan ang mangyayari. Ngayon, sa dami kasi ng baka bumoto ng against because of their problems in their constituency. Halimbawa sa amin, lagay na natin na 60% is yes and let's say 10% is abstaining. Pati yung abstaining, mapaparusahan yun eh. So 40% ng partido namin ang mapaparusahan. Okay? So if 40% of our members are going to be sanctioned for voting what they think, hindi naman siguro tama na the leadership of the party will allow this to happen.